Welcome back to another video by the Building Expert team. Today we are installing this Easy Lock kitchen sink strainer. This strainer fits standard 3.5-inch kitchen sink drain opening. Installation of this strainer requires the use of plumber's putty or silicone to create a waterproof seal between the strainer and the sink surface. If you decide to go with putty, roll the putty between your palms to form rope-like shape. Aim for a thickness that matches the depth of the strainer's lip and push it along the lip so that the circumference of the lip is covered with putty. Or apply a continuous bead of silicone around the circumference of the strainer's lip. I prefer putty over silicone because it's easier to clean and it allows for easier future replacement of strainers. Start by disassembling the strainer by backing up the set screws and unthread the retainer nut. Before we start the installation, make sure the sink surface is clean. Add putty or silicone to the lip of the strainer's body. We are using putty for this installation. Place the strainer body in drain opening and press down to secure into position. From the bottom of the sink, place flexible black and metal washer over the strainer body and thread on the retainer. Now tighten the set screws with your hands. Adjust the strainer if needed so that it is in the middle of the drain hole. Now tighten the set screws using a flathead screwdriver or an adjustable wrench. Once it's tight, clean off the excess putty. Finally, install the tailpiece. Slide the nut on the tailpiece and put the nylon washer in place and tighten it on the strainer. Hand tighten the nut and use a channel lock plier to tighten it. This completes our strainer installation. When you buy strainers, they don't often come with tailpieces. So make sure you have a tailpiece, a nut and a washer. Some plastic tailpieces have nut molded on them, so you will only need a washer for those. If you plan on using a metal tailpiece, make sure you have a nut and a washer. All these metal and plastic tailpieces are interchangeable. Some tubular drain kits allow direct connection to strainers, and you don't need tailpieces at all. Links to the materials used in the video are provided in the description below. That's all for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.